Check guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, and I'm your chef boy next door, and today we're gonna be cooking some quail eggs. In Filipino or Bisaya it's called quack quack. So I'm gonna show you how to make it, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Jobs Vlog TV, hit the bell notification, and also like our page on Facebook, which is Jobs Vlog TV. In Insta at Jobs Vlog TV, and also on TikTok at Jobs Vlog TV. So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so it's got a bit hot. The first thing we need to do is to wash our hands, and my niece will gonna show you how to wash your hand before we start cooking our ingredients. Alright.
Take soap and wash with the water and turn it off.
So, did you wash your hands properly?
Yeah?
So we're gonna start cooking right now?
Oh yeah!
Ah yeah!
My phone lights up but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely, and all these things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day without you, without you.
So Tisha right here, we're gonna be cracking the hard-boiled quail egg. So baby, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
It was smooth sailing, heaven on the ground. It was you I needed, but now you're someone else. Say sorry, 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 boy, I've heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. All alone, it wasn't what you thought. Coming back for more, wanted me to go, and now I'm gone. Congratulations, 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 congratulations.
I want you to put all the quail eggs in here.
Okay.
You can put it together, all together.
When I watched you go, how the truth changes when you're out there on your own. Say sorry, 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 boy, I've heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. All alone, it wasn't what you thought. Coming back for more, wanted me to go, and now I'm gone. Congratulations, 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 congratulations. Say sorry, 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 boy, heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. All alone it was what you thought. Coming back for more. Wanted me to go and now I'm gone. Say sorry, 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 boy, heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. All alone it was what you thought. Coming back for more. Wanted me to go and now I'm gone. Congratulations. It was smooth sailing, heaven on the ground. It was you I needed, but now you're someone else. Say sorry, 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 boy, heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.